is your name, man? Michelle.
We are at Salt River Bat. Yeah, mommy's too scared to go. Are you gonna go in the beach water tomorrow?
I don't know. And the 7 a drink of white rum here.
What's wrong with our parents?
I don't know.
Good morning, guys. Today is our 3rd day here. Last night we had family stay over at the hotel with us, and a freaking bat got into the room. I was so scared. I'm gonna insert a clip of my Snapchat right here. Is that a bat? Oh, that's not a bat. Oh my gosh. Now we're going to go get breakfast on this beautiful Wednesday morning, and then I think we're gonna go into the town to go meet some of my mom's friends and stuff like that today, because we never got to do it yesterday because we had unexpected families come and stop by. So we're gonna be doing that today. I didn't do my hair, that's why I still have my headband on, but this is my little outfit today. Something simple, you know, something simple and cute. You can see my cousin. Watch him. Rashid, say hi. I see you. Yeah, he's eating a mango right now. There's my mom. Look at her little outfit today.
Hello, Jamaica.
3rd day in Jamaica.
Woohoo! Went down for breakfast now.
Yeah.
Went away for breakfast.
I don't know what we're gonna be eating, but let's go find out. Okay. And breakfast is served. Thanks to Kevin. Say hi. With the cousin, taking some pictures right now. I'm about to bling off the Instagram. Oh, it's recording.
Me know I lose ya, you know I lose me. Love me so much, I know I am so.
He's there? Guys, it is so hot out here. I feel like sleeping. This heat makes me want to sleep every second. Holy cow. But we're about to go get some food. Got our food. Got some fried chicken, macaroni, and rice and peas. Good morning, guys. It is our 4th day here in Jamaica, and today we're finally going to the beach. We're going to Bluefield Beach, and then tomorrow, which is Friday, we're going to Salt River. And obviously I'm going to be taking you guys along. I got my GoPro charged up, so it's going to be lit. I'm going to be able to take you guys in the water with us. Everybody's up, everyone's ready. We're gonna have breakfast and then head over there, get some Ciroc. You know, we gotta turn up on the beach. This is my little outfit of today, my bathing suits, my shorts, and then I have a little cover up, which is over there. I just finished taking pictures, so you know. But I guess I'll see you guys when we are on the way. Hold on, let me show you guys my mom in her outfit, her cute outfit. Say hi, Mama. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
You excited to go to the beach?
Yeah, but I ain't swimming. I can't swim.
She's scared of the water, so she's not gonna be in the water today. Well, I'm gonna try to push her in there. Yeah.
JaayBond total. Better gas total and better gas. So big bird better.
I know. Hey guys. So unfortunately something happened and we couldn't make it to the beach. But we ended up coming to Salt River today, and then tomorrow we're gonna go to Look at this doggy. This is Salt River. It's really, really nice. I was here, the last time I was here was with my siblings, and I'm back here again today. About to get ton up on the beach. Oh, we will at Salt River. We have the cups in there. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the water. I'm gonna switch to my GoPro, so peace. This is so cute.